जोनस को खानी है कुनाफा चॉकलेट।
We
दुबई
can
का
make it. We can make it.
दुबई का कुनाफा चॉकलेट हम नहीं बनाएंगे घर पे। हम दुबई का कुनाफा चॉकलेट हम जाके खाएंगे दुबई में।
Mommy, but we're not going anywhere this year.
You are not going.
Oh my.
I am going with my husband. How is the idea?
You are not going to Dubai.
I will go.
No, you're not.
I will make
No,
sure
you're
that
not.
I go.
No, you're not. I know your capabilities.
I will eat Dubai's kunafa chocolate in Dubai,
No, I know your
not in Jamaica.
I know your capabilities. That is way beyond. Chalo.
You're challenging your mother?
Yes.
Okay, I will go with my husband to Dubai, leaving my children in the bank. तुम लोग को मैं बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर दूंगी और मैं चली जाऊंगी दुबई।
No.
राइट
No.
वापस आने के बाद तुम लोग को विड्रॉ कर लूंगी। You know my bank, right?
Huh?
You know my bank, right?
मतलब
Arsla Bhabi. I'm going to.
I know.
Don't I?
This year going. This year?
This year?
Okay.
No, not this year. Next year.
Next year तुम लोग जा रहे?
तू तो नहीं जा रहा है।
नहीं मैंने नहीं.
You are not going. I am going with my husband.
I know Dada will not.
You know Dada will not.
Guess what? Dada ने बोला था. We will go next year. If we don't go this year, we're gonna go next year. Next year means we
Yes.
all are going.
Dada was talking about me and him, not you.
No, he was talking to me. Without you, we were in the car.
Dada will go with you without me. You bet.
He's gonna go with all of us.
Oh,
So yes, I'm going.
you are not going.
Yeah.
You are not going.
Dada ने बढ़ गया था.
Dada ने क्या?
He said that we're all gonna go
No.
next year.
No.
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 Dada ने बोला था.
I will go with my husband to Dubai alone to eat that kunafa chocolate.
That will be after we go to Dubai all together.
No.
Yeah.
I am not taking you to anywhere now.
Yeah.
You're big enough. You need to save and start sponsor yourself.
Mm.
Oh, क्या? चल. I am not taking you.
Dana ने promise किया था next year after next year we would go to the village.
Dada can promise anything to anybody, but he will fulfill if I want.
Mommy, he
Yes.
said, man, when we were going to the Maldives airport, he said that the next 2 years we would go to the village.
Maldives तो नहीं जा रही मैं वापस. Maldives is out.
Dada ने मेरे को handshake किया था. Handshake means handshake. Promise means promise.
हाँ, so
No questions asked.
you go.
Game is game.
No. Dada can promise anything to anybody. Fulfill वही होगा जो मैं चाहूंगी.
On top of that, I do want to go to Dada. Go with Dada. To Ramadan alone.
Really?
Yes.
You're lucky. Not going. Nobody going nowhere.
I want to go to Ramadan with Dada.
Nope.
Yeah.
This is how Jonas look when he's disappointed.
I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed.
You're not disappointed.
No.
You're what?
Thinking of the time when mom would thinking of the time when they're trying to imagine the picture when Dad says it.
You
Plane.
Huh.
Plane out in the atmosphere.
Right.
Remove all the pollution.
Really?
Yeah.
What if Dada take you?
Yeah.
Dada cannot even take himself.
Mm,
How Dada will take you?
Plane.
Dada cannot even take himself. How he will take you?
Plane.
No.
Plane.
No. Without mommy's permission?
Business trip.
No. This is not business, this is pleasure. Business trip is different and pleasure trip is different. Okay, you go for your business trip.
Business trip.
Go.
I remember when Dad. Wait, wasn't Dad supposed to go somewhere? He said that he was gonna go to Miami to the RS place.
That I can go for business trip, yes.
Because one of his friends came to the store and said something about he had to go to the RS shop. No, to the RS show. And then he said he'll probably take me.
Probably.
You were never.
That probably is not promise.
You were never in the sentence. You were not in the sentence.
Dada cannot even take himself and go somewhere. How he will take you?